If your pull-up routine feels like a struggle, with the effort echoing in every move, and you wish to improve your pull-up like this in no time, join us and let's redefine the way you conquer the pull-up bar. Fast, flawless, and absolutely captivating. Pull-ups are like magic for making your upper back and arm muscles super strong and big. Plus, they also help your core get really, really tough. Guess what? Thor got his super strong back by doing pull-ups for many years. It's so awesome because all you need is a bar and your body weight. But here's the thing, pull-ups can be a bit tricky. They're one of the hardest exercises to learn. Lots of people haven't even done their first one yet. And if you did one, doing more can be kinda tough. I bet you've tried some stuff to get better at pull-ups, right? Well, here's the scoop. Some ways are not the right ones. Doing lap pull-downs and using the assisted pull-up machine won't really help much. But don't worry, in this video I'll share the coolest tricks, backed by research. These are the best ways to learn your first pull-up and then rock it with double digit the fastest way possible. But before we start, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and then consider sharing it with someone else who might also like the video. I'd really appreciate it. First off, let's talk about muscles. The core, biceps, lats, and mid-lower traps are the stars of the show. Strengthening these buddies is the key to becoming a pull-up superhero. Research says so. Now here's the fun part. I've got cool exercises to make you pull-up ready. Ever heard of the scapula puller? It's like a secret move for your lower traps. Hang from a bar, relax your shoulders, and pull up without bending your elbows. It's a two-step magic trick for pull-ups. Next up, the Neely lat pull-down. It's not your regular lat pull-down, it's supercharged. This one targets your lats, core, and biceps, all the muscles you need for an epic pull-up. It's like training for a big adventure. And don't miss out on the inverted row. It's fantastic for your lats, core, and arms, plus it gives some extra love to your mid-traps. Hang from a bar, pull up until your chest almost touches it. It's like doing a pull-up, but a bit easier. Now, if pull-ups feel a bit tricky, no worries. We've got some cool tricks to get us started. First up, the banded pull-up. It's like a mini pull-up, super close to the real thing. It'll boost your confidence too. Start with a heavier band, then switch to lighter ones as you get stronger. The assisted pull-up machine is okay, but not as awesome. It doesn't activate our core much, and the muscles work differently than in a pull-up, but we've got better tricks. Negative pull-ups, perfect for the slow and controlled part of the pull-up. Jump up, then come down as slow as you can. It might feel tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it and become a pull-up pro. So here's the plan. Follow this routine twice a week and watch those muscles get super strong. During your other workouts, try doing as many pull-ups as you can in 2 sets. That number will shoot up in no time. And guess what? Once you nail around 10 to 12 clean pull-ups in 1 set, it's time to level up. Excited for the next step and more pull-up progress? Grab a dumbbell or a weight belt because we're about to add some resistance and boost those muscles even more. Here's the plan. Add pull-ups to your routine twice a week, following the set and rep range. Keep working on the previous moves we talked about, except for banded pull-ups. They'll keep making your pull-up strength top-notch. Start small, just 2.5 to 5 pounds of extra weight. Increase your reps with this added weight. Once you nail 3 to 4 sets of 10 clean reps, add another 2.5 to 5 pounds. Repeat this process for 4 weeks, then take it easy for a week. Swap pull-ups for another exercise, or go back to bodyweight pull-ups to give those muscles a breather. And here's a cool tip. Switch up your pull-up style. Try a chin-up or a neutral grip pull-up. These variations work your muscles a bit differently and help prevent injuries. Now, in your fitness journey, one of the biggest problems you'll run into is losing fat and building muscle. So, click on the screen. I'm going to walk you through how to build muscle and lose fat at the same time.